Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss one of the important very short answer question from the chapter Demoivre's theorem. Let us see question. Simplify cos alpha plus iota sin alpha whole power 4 whole divided by sin beta plus iota cos beta whole power 8. So to simplify the given expression we must remind Demoivre's theorem first. So let's remind once Demoivre's theorem. What is Demoivre's theorem? Cos theta plus iota sin theta whole power n is equals to cos n theta plus iota sin n theta. So we can remember it easily. What's happening here? Power multiplied with the angle in both the places. N into theta, n theta, n into theta, n theta. So we are going to lose power. So that's the logic involved. Now let's go to the given expression cos alpha plus iota sin alpha whole power 4 by sin beta plus iota cos beta whole power 8. Now for numerator we can apply Demoivre's theorem directly. Numerator is in the form of cos theta plus iota sin theta whole power n. So according to Demoivre's theorem, power multiplied with the angle 4 into alpha, 4 alpha. Here also 4 into alpha, 4 alpha. So what it will become? Cos 4 alpha plus iota sin 4 alpha whole divided by. So if you observe the denominator, you cannot apply Demoivre's theorem now itself because you see it's in the form of sin theta plus iota cos theta. Demoivre's theorem is cos theta plus iota sin theta whole power n. Means the real part must be always cos. To make use of Demoivre's theorem, the real part must be cos, imaginary part must be sin. So we have to make it as real part cos, imaginary part sin. If I see here with cos beta, we have iota. So we need to take iota common. By taking iota common, we can have real part as cos. Here I have iota, but here we don't have iota. So we must create here also iota. So what is the basic concept? All of you know that iota square is minus 1, right? Iota square is minus 1. So here we need to create iota. So let me write iota cos beta first. Iota cos beta first plus sin beta plus sin beta. So the coefficient of sin beta is 1. Coefficient of sin beta is 1. 1 can also be written as minus 1 into minus 1 into sin beta. Do you agree? Have you got any changes? No. Minus into minus plus sin beta sin beta. So why we wrote like this? In order to introduce iota term. So in place of 1 minus 1 term, we can introduce iota square. That is the plan. So cos 4 alpha plus iota sin 4 alpha as it is whole divided by iota cos beta as it is plus, okay, we have to use any one of these two minus 1 terms. So we have to multiply plus into minus minus. And in place of this minus 1, we can replace iota square. So this minus 1 can easily replace it with iota square. Sin beta. So that we can see clearly here also iota term. Now we can take iota common. So numerator as it is cos 4 alpha plus iota sin 4 alpha divided by. So take iota common. After taking iota common, we left with cos beta minus more iota sin beta whole power 8. Whole power 8 means power applicable for both iota as well as this one. Whole power 8. Now we can apply Demoivre's theorem for denominator also. You see, real part is cos, imaginary part is sin. Cos 4 alpha plus iota sin 4 alpha as it is divided by iota power 8. How to write iota power 8? Iota square whole power 4. Iota power 8 can also be written as iota square whole power 4. Because iota square value is known. That's why always if you have any power, that should be expressed in terms of iota square. And what about this one? On applying Demoivre's theorem, angle multiplied with the power, beta into 8 beta. So cos 8 beta minus iota sin 8 beta. Now, better to use short form. So I told you, in case of into or divided by between the two complex numbers, use short form instead of original form. Use short form because we have formulas in short form. Cos 4 alpha plus iota sin 4 alpha in short form can be written as cis 4 alpha divided by iota square is minus 1 whole power 4. Cos 8 beta minus iota sin 8 beta in short form, cis of minus 8 beta. Cis of minus 8 beta. So what do you know about short forms? Cos theta plus iota sin theta. Short form is cis theta, simple form. Cos theta minus iota sin theta, simply written as cis of minus theta. Okay. Now let's remind formulas. Cis theta 1 by cis theta 2. This expression looks like cis theta 1 by cis theta 2. Let's remind formula. Cis theta 1 by cis theta 2 formula. Cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. Cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. Use that formula. Cis of theta 1 is 4 alpha here minus theta 2. Theta 2 is minus 8 beta. Theta 2 is minus 8 beta. Minus of minus 8 beta. Minus of minus 8 beta. Cis theta 1 by cis theta 2. Cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. What about minus 1 whole power 4? Minus whole power even number is plus only. 1 power 4 is 1. So the next step would be the required answer. Cis of 4 alpha plus 8 beta. Or otherwise it can also be written in original form. If you want to write, you can write original form. Cos of 4 alpha plus 8 beta plus iota into sin of 4 alpha plus 8 beta. So this is the answer.